Hi guys, it's Mel from Intimacy TV. We're doing something really different today. As you can see, I am working today with friends of mine. We are at the Port Arlington. I had to Google map it, to be honest with you. It's past Geelong, and this is the Mussel Festival. So today I am working for a company called Slap Your Mama, and I'm the only woman on the stand, so apparently I'm the one that's going to get slapped. So it makes it even more interesting. Thank God I work in the industry that I do. Seriously, I've got a great sense of humour. But this is a really good festival. So I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to flip it around so you can... Oh. Okay, as you can see, it's getting really busy over here. Lots of food. Hey! Lots of food, lots of seafood. And this is Slap Your Mama. So I'm going to come over here and we're going to have a look. Oh, and by the way, these guys, the beer, really good. And I'm not much of a beer drinker. So as you can see, it's really, really quite busy. So with Slap Your Mama spices, they come straight in from Louisiana. And this is the real Cajun stuff. So I'm going to come and get good old Pete to come out here. We're going to flip it around. All right, hang on. All right.
Yeah, here we are.
Okay, so Pete, we're here at the Mussel Festival in Slap Your Mama. Tell us a little bit about the product.
The Slap Your Mama product is authentic Cajun. It comes from Louisiana. We import directly from the factory. Cajun is French in origin. Cajun's originally from Arcadia in France, moved to Nova Scotia in the 1600s. The 1700s, the British drove them down to the Gulf of Mexico where they started cooking. A lot of what they do, being on the Gulf and having so many inland bayous, a lot of it's around seafood, so it's pretty apt to be here at the Mussel Festival, which is terrific actually.
Now, we do want to introduce a couple of products. So the website is called 4D Flavours, and majority of the products, the Slap Your Mama brand, sorry, the flies are starting to irritate me. Sammy, you should have been here. Come and join us. This is Sam the Candle Lady, remember?
Hi.
All right. Okay, so you want to quickly just tell us what the products are, and we'll go from there. So do you want to sort of give us a quick rundown of the different products, and we'll go from there?
Sure. Not everything we do is Slap Your Mama. That is one of our key products.
Yeah, we want to show you the good stuff.
But we also do Old Bay, which is now legal to bring into Australia. It used to be illegal, and I've had people hug me when they've seen it. We've got liquid smoke from Texas, from Colgin, which has been making liquid smoke since 1948. With 4 flavours, mesquite, hickory, apple and pecan, or pecan as we call it in Australia. What else have we got? We've got Jethro's Mongrel Hot Sauce.
Okay, pick the bottle up and show us, because I love this. All right, it's a mongrel. All right, so the old fella, it's hot, it's spicy. If you love this sort of stuff, it's got a beautiful flavour. But show them my favourite, which is your salad dressing. All right, so this product here, Salvador Delicious, it is delicious.
It is amazing. It's not just a salad dressing, it's a salad dressing and sauce. It does both. And
we just put it on everything. I mean, seriously, it's so good.
It is so good. It's not uncommon for people to order 4 to 6 bottles on the internet at a time, because they just love it. I've seen people go to the cupboard and eat it off a teaspoon. It's a beautiful flavour.
Now, you do have some t-shirts. Do you sell them on the website?
We actually don't sell them on the website. We sometimes bring them to festivals, and I guess we could sell them by themselves if someone was really keen, like the hats.
Yeah.
But generally, we'll bundle them in with an offer. We put a whole lot of products together. We drop the price, because the idea is to build the market, build the knowledge, get people really happy, and have them go out and advocate for us. So
tell us what your slogans are on the t-shirt.
Well, you can't see the bottom of it. Or
yeah, I'm wearing one, but you know, it's all hidden underneath. Yeah.
Well, it's on backwards. We're on the back.
Oh, is it? Oh, hang on. We just show my back. There you go. Hang on. Can you see it? Hang on. There you go.
So it says, practice safe eating, always use a condiment.
Yes. Okay, which is perfect down my alleyway, which is why I'm working for Slap Your Mama.
And also on my email I have blends with benefits.
Blends with benefits, so perfect. Seriously, it's such good branding. I love it.
So we've got 3 different spices, we've got 3 different sauces, we've got 3 meals being jambalaya, gumbo, red beans and rice. We've got a seafood boil, a Cajun fish fry, and an etouffee. Which
oh my God, etouffee is one of the first things, because for those of you that have known me for at least 20 odd years, one of my exes was from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So I love the Cajun spices. Etouffee was one of my favourite dishes, and gumbo. In fact, his dog was called Gumbo.
Gumbo.
That's how much we liked Gumbo. So this is one of the reasons why, and of course I love working with Pete because we just have way too much fun. The funny thing is today, however, it's a role reversal because normally it's the men that are running the barbecue and I'm running the barbecue today, and I'm actually liking it because I'm not having to use my voice very much. So come on down. So where are we again? We are at
Port Arlington Mussel Festival. It's only on today, Saturday.
What time's it finish?
5 o'clock or 5:30.
Okay, so move your ass because apparently there's a little bit of traffic trying to get the parking, but they do have shuttle buses that bring you in, and you can find these products on the website of 4dflavors.com.au.
Correct.
Beautiful.
That's a numeral 4, then D, then Flavours, spelt the Australian way with a U.
Yep.
.com.au.
I'll make sure that I put it on the link here. So thanks for joining us again for another episode of Intimacy TV. We are always showing you different things. We're showing you how to cook fast and easy because it's like one little spice, and all we do is we sprinkle it on the chalk with a bit of olive oil, slap it straight on the barbecue, and you've got an amazing meal. I do the same with roast veggies because I don't eat a lot of meat, but come on down to the Mussel Festival. We'll see you next time.